Without Wall Street Tribe. I cannot tell you how excited I am to see you at the Nashville Inner Circle Live. That's right. This is our second event of the year. It's going to be in Nashville, August 25th through the 27th. If you haven't already got your tickets, now's your time, right? To join guys like myself and Neil Twa, who's my guest today, go to wealthwithoutwallstreet.com/live and use the promo code podcast to get 20% off your ticket and your guest ticket, whoever you're going to bring along with you. This is a journey of financial freedom, and who better to do that with than the people who is your tribe, right? This is where you bring your tribe and you meet your tribe. And guys like Neil Twa will make it so much better. Neil.
Yes, sir.
Where in the world are you coming to us from today?
So I'm coming from the middle of nowhere. So if the internet's flaky, forgive me if I may have lost a squirrel or a raccoon, because that's how I do my internet out here in the country. I'm in the Ozark Mountains of Missouri, Midwest, flyover states. You know, when you get a nosebleed going from one of the holiday vacations to another and you skip and you wave at us, that's where I live, out in the middle of the mountains here in the Ozarks of Missouri.
Man, so many people just got really jealous because they wish they were on all this acreage and
Some people are looking at me going, he has all his teeth, so he's probably lying.
Usually they're saying that about the guys from Alabama.
Oh, well,
I know what Voltage Business Builders is. You guys are the guys that create money presses, right? Through Amazon, FBA, but for those of us that don't know Voltage Business Builders, what is your superpower, Neil?
Yeah, so basically it's taking brands and people from zero to hero in 36 months, the possibility of building 8-figure brands and almost automated income using the power of e-commerce, on a virtual marketplace like Amazon and physical products. So teaching them to go zero to hero, get their first 100K in net profits in the first 12 months, and then expand their brand and give them the opportunity, instead of working 80 hours a week, to work maybe 80 hours a month instead, while making more than a full-time income.
Man, there are people right now that are hearing that and saying, yes, I know e-commerce is the path for me, but I didn't know who the guide was to get me there. And so this is the opportunity, guys. You get to come and meet Neil Twa in person, along with his business partner, Reed, who's going to be there, to get on this path to financial freedom. Now, when people come to your breakout session, what are the 3 things they're going to walk away with on the outside of that?
Absolutely. First off, I'm going to show you what the heck to sell. So you're actually going to learn a process and methodology to learn what to sell, because a lot of people are like, I don't know how to get started, don't know what to sell. And you're going to be able to walk away from there and have a list of at least 50 product ideas before you leave that session. The second thing you're going to learn is how much potential money I could make selling those products once I finally identify what I should be selling. And the third thing is how to actually build a real business with physical assets, taking fiat currency, translating it into real wealth, taking it out of Wall Street or never putting it in Wall Street to begin with, and learn how to build that business for a saleable asset, in 3 to 5 years, that's worth 10, 20 times more than at any time during the business building phase. You will learn exactly the steps to create the product, the opportunity, and the exit potential to achieve financial freedom.
Oh, man, this is so good. I cannot tell you how awesome it is to have a friend like Neil Twa in the business who's going to be there at the Inner Circle Live. If you haven't already gotten your tickets, now is the time. Stop what you're doing. Go ahead and get the last of these remaining tickets at wealthwithoutwallstreet.com/live and use the promo code podcast. It'll give you 20% off today. I can't wait to see you in Nashville. Neil, very grateful to have you and can't wait to see you, my friend.
Looking forward to seeing everybody there. And by the way, if you hate your 9-to-5 job, or if you love it, then you might want to skip this. That's probably not for you. If you hate spending time with your kids, this is probably not for you either.
Yes.
And if you don't want to make more money, then don't show up. But you show up, check it out. I'll be there. Looking forward to it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.